Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today we're going to be doing the first mod, quote-unquote mod, for our new BMW M4, new to us, M4. It's a cosmetic mod, it's a little thing, but I think it's really going to change the entire look of the car. And what we're going to be doing today, as you saw in the thumbnail and the title, it's no surprise, we're going to be doing the BMW 50th Anniversary M Heritage Roundels. I think these are going to look super cool, especially on a Yas Marina blue. It's going to be a really small touch. It's going to look really cool, I think. And it's a simple mod. So let's open up the box that we got and let's put them on the car. All right, here's the box. We just got the box, haven't opened it yet, pretty light. It's just some, plastic roundels. We got 4 for the wheels, 1 for the steering wheel, 1 for the rear trunk, and 1 for the front and the hood. Let's open this up and see how they look. By the way, we got these on Bimmerplug for $199. They got a nice little card, very nice. We got a discount code. We got an air freshener, a turbo air freshener, pretty cool. We got a business card, Bimmerplug business card. We also got Bimmerplug sticker, super cool. And what is this? We got candy. Bimmerplug gave us some Sour Punch, so if you're watching this, Bimmerplug, thank you. I'm gonna eat this and enjoy it while installing. But let's get to the good stuff real quick. Look at this. You can kind of see them right now. Really cool. Let's open them up. And in the box also, there are 2 of each of these, if I can get it out. We have these 2 little, what look like little grommet things for the front or rear emblems. Sometimes they come off and they break or whatever, so they gave us some replacements. All right, let's take a look at this. Look at that. That looks really cool. It's a nice little thing, nice little colors. They look really cool. Let's open up the little packet, take it out. Very nice, very shiny. It's got a little protective film on it so that when you install it, you don't scratch it up. And supposedly, I read somewhere that the colors actually, same with these 3, the blue, the dark blue, and the red, or the purple, some say it's purple, and the M on the M badges, the actual M cars. The light blue is BMW's road cars, the red is their race cars, and the purple or dark blue is where BMW makes them meet right in the middle with their M cars. Road usable race cars. I mean, that's kind of cool. I learned that a while ago, and I think it's pretty cool to finally now know what the colors mean from the M's. Let's take a look at the other ones and see how good they look. We also got these 4 roundels, as you can see with the little clip things for the wheels. We got 4 of them. They're not like stickers, they're actual roundel replacements. We got 4 of those. The biggest one is in fact for the hood, or I guess actually goes on the front bumper. So this is the front bumper roundel. The one slightly smaller than that is for the trunk. The last one is the smallest, and this one is a sticker. This one is for the steering wheel. It just goes right over top the other one, because if you put a metal or plastic thing on the steering wheel and the airbag explodes, it's gonna kill you. So this is just a little sticker. We're gonna put it on. Hello everyone, it's me, Future Daniel here, because I've just realized that all of the footage that I took of actually putting these badges on got corrupted. It's gone. It's all gone. So instead what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly go over them and show you what they look like. This one looks pretty cool. I like this one. The rear, it brings some nice color to the back. You will see that, yes, we do have some extra modifications on. Wait for those videos because those are gonna be really, really cool. But this one looks super cool. I love the colors against the Yas Marina blue. Really nice touch. The wheels as well, very good looking. Let's flip it around. Absolutely love it. I love these colors with this nice silver and the blue calipers, of course, and the little M badge here. All 4 wheels have the same one, of course. Here's the front passenger side as well. Very, very nice. And you might notice, of course, like on the 5 Series, we like putting our emblems, our roundels, to face the correct way with the M badges. Just a little touch, and it also points towards the valve stem as well. Going to the front, you can see the one on the bumper. It looks very, very nice. I quite like this one. It really does bring a nice bit of color to the front. Otherwise, a lot of blue, and then also, yes, a front splitter. Wait for that video as well. A lot of videos coming for this car. But yes, very nice color. Looks super nice. I love the pop of color. Going on to the inside, you can see the steering wheel emblem is very nice. Again, like I said, with the front, the rear, and of course the wheels, it just brings a nice pop of color to the interior. Really, really pleased with it. And we tried putting it on as straight as possible. And I believe it's straight. It should be straight. It looks straight to me. Really, really nice. Just a nice little color. Like I said, this is just a gel adhesive that you would just put on top of your, OEM roundel. So if you get tired of it, you can just take it right off. However, not everything that you just saw is good, or honestly, what I said in the video, because these roundels, actually the front bumper roundel and the wheel roundels, are not Bimmerplug. They are AliExpress, and that's because Bimmerplug really screwed us over. I'm going to give you a little bit of information and a little bit of a backstory as to why we chose AliExpress roundels instead of the Bimmer Plugs one that I just opened for all of you. There's a very good reason. Don't buy from Bimmer Plug. The amount of hassles, headaches, hoops, and leaps that I had to go through to get my products and only to discover that they're all defective was uncanny. I would not recommend you guys doing it, which kind of sucks because I was going to start an affiliate membership with them so you guys could get some discounts, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want you guys to go through the same headaches that I had to go through. So I bought these roundels from Bimmer Plug. They were all crooked, all of them. This one was crooked. We had to disassemble it literally and glue it back together so that it was actually straight and level with the car. The front one, they sent us the wrong one. We needed a 2-pin male connector. They sent us the 3-hole female connector. We emailed them and they were like, oh, sorry, we'll send you replacements. Okay, that's very nice of them, right? So they sent us a replacement. Let's take a look at the replacement. Do you guys see what's wrong? That's right. The emblem is crooked. Okay, I'll put the camera straight with the emblem. Now it's crooked with the car. This is the replacement that they sent us. We bought some start-stop buttons for our cars, right? Some pretty cool start-stop buttons, some crystal-looking start-stop buttons, right? We bought them. We got them, you know, we took the OEM one out of the M4, and we put the new one in. Guess what? It was crooked. The button was crooked. And so we thought there's no way. There's no way. 3 for 3. They've messed our orders up. So we tried the 4th order. My button on my F10 535i. We took my OEM button out. We put in the new Bimmer Plug button. Okay, you have a guess? Okay, take a guess. Yes, it was crooked. We emailed them. We spoke to a man. I'm not going to say his name. He did not help. He did not apologize. He did not offer a refund. He did not offer an exchange. He even sent us this video for the buttons saying that instead of him replacing the buttons, we should disassemble the button, glue it back on so that it's straight. Mind you, these buttons are $29 each. We then follow up with another email saying, no, I'm not going to do that. I paid $30 for my buttons. Can you please send us some new buttons that are not defective like all of your other products have been? And they say no. Instead, this time they switch it up. They say that we bought the wrong button. It's a blast having the company that I paid $30 for a plastic button that we got on AliExpress for $2 to tell me that I bought the wrong button, even though on their website it says it's the right button. I'm not ranting. It might sound like it, but I'm not really ranting. I'm more so trying to just show you how sad this customer service is. We asked for a phone number multiple times. They never gave us a phone number. We never spoke to anyone, but probably like a bot or something, maybe probably outsourced. These guys probably don't even have like a real building in the USA. It's pretty frustrating, honestly, because I know if you guys have ever had some problems with customer service, you know how frustrating it is. You know how unbearable it is to want to speak to someone and not be able to. And that is why I'm not going to do an affiliate membership with Bimmer Plug. I am very displeased to say that Bimmer Plug, as cool as they may seem online, in person, all of their products are defective. And it's not just me. It's not just me. My friends have all bought from there. They all say the same thing. Co-workers, the same thing. Other YouTubers, same thing. But I don't like making videos like this, by the way. I don't like making videos like this. I don't want to. You know, I don't like bashing companies and stuff. I don't like throwing people under the bus or like throwing companies under the bus. But I kind of have to warn you guys about this because it's pretty unacceptable. You know, and I really wish that I didn't go through this, and that's why I don't want you guys to go through this. So that's why I'm making this video. And well, I mean, I'm making it because of the emblems, but I'm also making this warning for you guys so that you don't waste your time, money, efforts, brain cells, all of it. Just avoid it all. But they're on, they look good, and I mean, that's all I can say for now, right? So more stuff with the M4 coming. I mean, you can kind of see it already. This is, like I said, I'm from the future. We already got that on, and we got a front splitter on. Super cool stuff is coming for the M4, and the only way you're gonna find out what it is if you subscribe. So go ahead and subscribe right now and turn the bell notification on, and leave a comment down below what you thought about this, and if you have had any trouble with some websites that I'm not gonna mention again. But guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. Take care.